What does the term phishing refer to in the context of cybersecurity? Option 1, phishing. Option 2, social engineering. Option 3, malware injection. Answer is social engineering. What is the primary purpose of antivirus software in cybersecurity? Option 1, secure web browsing. Option 2, detect and remove malware. Option 3, encrypt data transmissions. Answer is detect and remove malware. What does HTTPS stand for in a website URL, indicating a secure connection? Answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. What is the process of verifying the identity of a user or system in cybersecurity? Option 1, authentication. Option 2, authorization. Option 3, encryption. Answer is authentication. Which of the following is a characteristic of a strong password? Option 1, short length. Option 2, common words. Option 3, complexity and uniqueness. Answer is complexity and uniqueness. What is a common form of social engineering where attackers pretend to be a trustworthy entity to steal sensitive information? Option 1, spear phishing. Option 2, identity theft. Option 3, SQL injection. Answer is spear phishing. What encryption protocol is commonly used to secure communication over the Internet? Option 1, SSL. Option 2, HTTP. Option 3, FTP. Answer is SSL. What cybersecurity principle restricts access rights for users to the bare minimum necessary to perform their tasks? Option 1, need to know. Option 2, least access privilege. Option 3, principle of least privilege. Answer is principle of least privilege. What is a type of malware that disguises itself as legitimate software? Option 1, spyware. Option 2, ransomware. Option 3, adware. Answer is ransomware. What is a primary reason for regularly updating software in terms of cybersecurity? Option 1, improved user interface. Option 2, new features and functionalities. Option 3, patching security vulnerabilities. Answer is patching security vulnerabilities. What type of cyber attack involves injecting malicious SQL code into a database query? Option 1, XML injection. Option 2, cross-site scripting, XSS. Option 3, SQL injection. Answer is SQL injection. What visual cue in a web browser's address bar indicates a secure website connection? Option 1, green padlock icon. Option 2, red exclamation mark. Option 3, yellow warning triangle. Answer is green padlock icon. What is the process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access called? Option 1, encoding. Option 2, encryption. Option 3, decoding. Answer is encryption. What is the primary function of a firewall in cybersecurity? Option 1, virus detection. Option 2, intrusion prevention. Option 3, network segmentation. Answer is intrusion prevention. What is a type of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid? Option 1, worm. Option 2, Trojan horse. Option 3, ransomware. Answer is ransomware. What is a common vulnerability that occurs when software developers fail to validate or sanitize input data? Answer is buffer overflow. What is a security measure that encrypts data to prevent unauthorized access by external entities? Option 1, data masking. Option 2, data encryption. Option 3, data compression. Answer is data encryption. What additional layer of security does two-factor authentication, 2FA, provide beyond a password? Option 1, biometric verification. Option 2, SMS verification. Option 3, multi-layer encryption. Answer is SMS verification. What type of cybersecurity threat originates from individuals within an organization? Option 1, external attack. Option 2, insider threat. Option 3, DDoS attack. Answer is insider threat. What cybersecurity practice involves dividing a computer network into segments to limit potential damage in the event of a cyber attack? Option 1, network segmentation. Option 2, VLAN implementation. Network segmentation.